the Central Machinery 2-barrel rock tumbler from Harbor Freight. I have 2 more of these. One of them is having some issues. This is the replacement that they gave me on my warranty. The warranty cost somewhere between $12 and $22, whether you're getting it for a year or a 2-year exchange. I recommend getting the exchange warranty for the $20 more for 2 years. It makes good sense to me. Bag, and it comes with your manual. Probably a good idea to hang on to that so you've got all the parts and stuff that you need. I've got 2 other ones. I'm assuming they're pretty similar. So I'm going to clean up, and I missed this when I was showing the thing. This came with, looks like 5 replacement belts. That has not been in any of the other Harbor Freight Central Machinery rock tumblers that I have purchased. How cool. For you. There we go. So it comes with 2 barrels. Yeah, let's loosen this up first. Give it a couple squeezes. First time these lids come off, they're a little tight. Now, I use this washer, the little pry tool, to loosen up the top. I tend to put the nut and the locking screw there to keep that together. Here's what the top looks like, and in the barrel. Actually, the barrels are nice. I like them. I think they do a good job. I like this particular tumbling device. I think it does a good job as well. Put everything back together so I don't lose anything. I'm going to move over here, plug it in, turn it on, make sure it runs well. And then we're going to get some rocks that I already have loaded into the barrel rolling. All right, let's get a couple drops of oil on this. There we go. I don't know if you saw that or not. I put a couple little drops of oil here, a couple little drops of oil here for the bearing. You can see how much I missed. Way more oil on the table than there is on the bearings. But that ought to give us a good start. All right, so our new device is there in the back. Runs nice and quiet. Engaged. Drive shaft is turning. These are the gravel from the driveway. All right. And we're rolling. I have been pretty happy with these. I know some people say they tumble too fast. Some people say they don't hold up well. Now I will say that breaking belts has been a problem on them. I have been using these replacements here from Amazon. They're good for about a week or 2, and it just seems to be hit and miss, whether they're great or they're not. So anyway, I'm very happy with these. I'm very happy with my Harbor Freight tumbler. Hey guys, thanks for joining me this morning for the unboxing video of this Harbor Freight Central Machinery double barrel rock tumbler. Hopefully I've earned your subscription this morning. If I have, hit that subscribe button and follow along with me. We'll see what the Earth's got to show us tomorrow. Be well.